This is a CF-20 Wi-Fi card replacement. Start off by shutting down your computer and removing it from the keyboard dock if you have one. Just pull the release switch, pull up on the tablet portion, it comes out. Go ahead and sit it down. I always put it on a microfiber rag so it doesn't scratch up the screen. Then pull the release switches on the bottom to remove the back cover. Release the battery using the release switch and remove it. And then there's this cover in the back that you need to remove. There's a number of screws that you need to remove. Just unscrew all the screws holding it down and then you can lift the cover up. Once the screws are removed, lift the cover up, set it to the side. And then the Wi-Fi card is in the top corner. Disconnect the antennas and unscrew it. Pull the old card out. Get your replacement card and slide it in place. Make sure to pull back your antenna wires out of the way. Put the screw back in, holding it in place. Then go ahead and reconnect the antenna wires. The antenna wires can be a bit of a pain to get connected sometimes, especially on the 20. They're smaller than some of the older models, so it can be difficult getting them on. Sometimes it can help if you have a pair of tweezers if you're having a hard time getting them on just right. You just pop them on. Once you have those antennas connected, you can go ahead and put the cover back on over top of the motherboard. Go ahead and put the screws back on. Once those screws are back in, you can go ahead and put your battery back in place. And put your back cover back in place. You just put it in position, line it up, and then push down and towards the top. You'll hear it click into place. And then put it back in your keyboard dock if you're using one. Slide it in place and then push it down until you hear it click. And then that's all for the Wi-Fi card replacement on the CF-20. If you have any questions, just let us know. You can give us a call at our toll-free number of 877-202-7788 or send us an email to our tech support email, which is tech_support@bobjohnson.com.
you.